Hello everyone, my name is Haadiya and I'm studying in grade 8 in Glentree Academy, Whitefield, Bangalore. And my project is made to help auditory impaired people be around of their surroundings. My project includes the ultrasonic sensor, the OLED, touch sensor and the NeoPixel LED. My project is called the Smart Bag. The ultrasonic sensor will be inbuilt in the bag, wherein the user will know when an object or obstacle is incoming behind them. So the OLED will show the alert. So you see obstacle incoming, alerting the user that an object is coming from behind, allowing the user to quickly move or turn away, preventing a huge accident from happening. The touch sensor will be inbuilt into the bag zip. So when a person will touch the zip or the bag, the NeoPixel LED will change color, letting the user or the person know that someone is trying to steal their belongings, preventing a theft. As auditory impaired people won't know when someone is approaching them or something is happening because they can't hear, making them major targets for theft and robbery. This project prevents that from happening. Now, my project code. This is the code that I have written for my project. Yeah. So the first part is where I name the touch sensor, the OLED, the NeoPixel LED, and the ultrasonic sensor. And then the first part, this is the ultrasonic sensor, and then this is the touch sensor. Now, this is the elaboration of the ultrasonic sensor, wherein when an object is close to like around 15 centimeter or something, the OLED will show obstacle incoming. And if there is nothing, it will just show no worries. Now, this is for the touch sensor, and then now this is the touch sensor too, where once the touch sensor is touched like this, the NeoPixel LED will change color. So when touch is equal to 1, that is in the serial monitor, once the touch sensor is touched, it turns to 1. Then the LED color will change to red from green. If there's nothing, if touch is equal to 0, the LEDs will be 0, will be green only. Now, overall, my project prevents theft, robbery, and accidents from happening and allows auditory impaired people to enjoy and benefit from technology too, because technology is not just bound to a certain group of people but it's for everyone. Thank you.